will be disengaged, and as he pushes the throttle forward on the engine that is situated behind, a pusher propeller that will force the air up through the rotor, and away he goes.
And this aircraft hardly takes any room to get off the ground, so just watch when it starts rolling how quickly it gets airborne.
Have a look at the angle at which those rotor blades are set. That's about 15 degrees, and that is the optimum angle for those blades. Gyro is based on Greek terms meaning self-turning. And as we said, that is the difference between it and the helicopter. Basically, the air moves through the autogyro blade power into the rotors. Now, this aircraft is a composite construction. It's got a lot of fiberglass, carbon fibre in the aluminium. It's built by Gyro Europe, and it's called the Calidus. A big wave up there, you can see him waving. Now he's controlling it, but it still proceeds. Has a couple of different power plants, either 100 or 115 horsepower Rotax, or the turbocharged 914 model. The rotor diameter is about 27'7", the length about 15'8", maximum speed of 100 knots, and a range of about 435 nautical miles, or about 800 kilometres. Now just have a look how controllable this is. Easy as you like. That's my lady. This was designed in response to a requirement to make the autogyro a little bit more comfortable. A lot of these were produced as tandem two-seaters with just a little windscreen, so you were out in the breezes, summer and winter. The colour of this has that beautiful plot, very, very comfortable, lots of room in it. If you have a chance to get up close and personal with it, you can see just how much room there is. The passenger seats behind the pilot and slightly raised above, so you've got a little bit of view. Everything's just proper. Please, you do not need over to do that. These big rotor blades will do that for you. It's been flying for over 33 years. It was issued with a Gyroplane Display Authority in 1991 and became a Display Authority Evaluator in 2012. It's performed at major air shows all the way across the UK, New Zealand and Europe, and has over 3,000 hours flight time. He won the first British Gold Colibri Award, 4th place in the first World Microlight Championship, and has set a number of FAI world distance records. see the controllability of the aircraft. This is why a lot of these are now replacing the smaller helicopters like the Robinson 22 in the mustering role.
This looks like the perfect aircraft that you might even commute to work in.
Absolutely. A little bit different to the two that are up there to the left, just coming on for their display. Look at this, just perfect. Virtually stopping in the air before he touches down. What a great performance there by Pete Davis. In the Gyro Europe Calidus. So, as Pete would like to acknowledge Pooley's Pilot Supplies as one of his sponsors, allowing him to head